This is how you can sell $760 in one day on Etsy. And you can do this anywhere in the world, and all you need is your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Go to Etsy.com and type in digital, and you'll see the first result. Click there. As you can see here, there's an absolute ton of different planners. It's a very popular item. So I just clicked into this planner. So let's go see how much this planner has made, just so we can get a price point. It's sold for $11.69, and it has over 100,000 sales, which, if we do the math on that, that means it's made $1.1 million in total revenue. This is exactly why this is a side hustle that nobody talks about. Simply go to plrplanners.com and look through all the different planners they have available and choose the right one that you're trying to target. Now just go to Etsy and get started. As a seller, this is the most important thing that you need to remember to like and save this one. Make sure you copy the model of your creators and your presentation based on this already successful planners. Don't forget to hit that plus button because there are more side hustles coming your way.